Alright guys, we are currently on South Beach, and in today's video we're going to be doing a top 5 must-have wheelie bike upgrade. What I mean by upgrade, we're talking about the parts and stuff that when you get your bike stock out of the box or stock from the dealer or wherever you guys get your bikes from, you guys want to throw some upgrades to it. Now I'm going to be doing this a little bit differently because a few years ago when I did my top 5 wheelie bike upgrades, a lot has changed since then. You know, there's been a lot of new parts, a lot of new everything in bike life going on. So I'm gonna switch over and have combo hitters right here. All right, whose bike do we have here? All right, what do we have here, Jordan?
SE Enduro.
The top 5 upgrades you're gonna be doing to it and why?
Well, the first upgrade was definitely brakes. Oh, sorry. Definitely the brakes. Nobody likes brakes that don't work. Just upgrade them off rip. Like when you order your bike, just order brakes with.
What brakes you running?
I think, aren't they the MT200s? Yeah, thorough. These are thorough. Next upgrade, if it's this seat, get rid of it.
Why that seat? What's wrong with it?
It's slippery, bro. For certain pants, it's slippery. It's all up to you. If you ride in shorts, definitely don't ride this seat. Because as soon as you sweat.
So what seat would you get?
Yo, no cap. Those Mafia seats hit.
You like the Mafia?
I ain't gonna lie.
Seats?
After riding that shit, them Jones hit. They hit. I like those.
All right, so you would change the brakes, the seats, and to be honest with the Duros, there's not really much to change on them. So
sprocket.
The sprocket.
I already broke it. It breaks easy as shit.
So what sprocket would you get?
Probably ROS.
Oh my phone.
Yeah. They thorough like that.
Patches. How you doing, man?
We have a 2018 SE Bikes Beast Mode. Top 5, I have a lot of changed on my bike. My main thing would be the bars.
Okay. The bars?
These are the stock bars. I don't like these though. I like longer bars. I need something with a little bit more play right here because as you see, I can't move my brake further away from the grip.
Okay.
So it always hits my knuckle. My second upgrade would be grips, of course. Stock SE grips, trash. ODI grips I would recommend. Next is the seat. If you don't like the stock seat, I run a Mafia Bikes Medusa seat. I feel like that's a pretty good seat. It's soft, it's pretty cushioned,
30-mile
but
rides.
Because it's angled, of course it's not comfortable.
Well, riding that compared to this, like when I'm done riding that, no gay shit, nothing, my ass be hurting, yo, sore. But we've been riding for what, a good hour and a half, 2 hours straight, and like, bro, I'm chilling. Normally I'd be in like trying to like take a break for like an hour, but like I'm ready to go ride. Pause.
Next, I have upgraded our pedals, of course. You definitely need pedals. I recommend the Odysseys. These are actually really good pedals. They're plastic, so if you hit your shin on them during the combo,
That's true.
It's not as bad.
Yep. When you're doing the combos and you hit your shin, it's not, the damage is not that bad compared to the metal pedals.
Of course, chain tensioners. Most SC bikes come with pegs, so you don't need to worry about that. Chain tensioners are a must, though, if you want to do combos. So that way you keep the chain tension so they're not spinning.
Okay. So is that a combo hack right there?
Yeah.
So you're saying the chain got to be tight
so it don't spin while you're doing combos. So that way.
You only need them on
single. Yeah, only on single.
If it spins,
I don't know how you would put chain tensioners on
exactly.
That, okay. All right. And then next, my last thing would be the chain. I ride a half-link chain, never snaps.
Okay. All right. That's good, man. Nice bike, by the way. You know, could use a paint job, but some new tires too. You know, that's what I would upgrade. I'd change the tires. Let me tell y'all something, man. The stock fast strippers, they are out the box. Start off with the brakes. What you got to upgrade on these fast strippers, you know what I mean? Gabe Tucker got a fast stripper too. Gabe Tucker, come in the vid. What's up? Gabe Tucker Tattoos.
Yeah.
My tattoo artist right here. Y'all need
brakes are a must on the fast right away.
He knows. I got a cool bike, so we got a 2018 fast stripper. A couple of things I upgraded on this bike were the tires, brakes, hubs, handlebars. Oh, and the powder coat. I had to powder coat it. I got the Hope Tech brakes, Hope Tech 3. Jake 100 and all those London boys be riding with those brakes, and when I seen them riding with them, I'm like, you know what? I gotta have those brakes on this fast. We got the steel braided cable line. Bro, I'm telling y'all, my brakes hit. Any of you guys with fast strippers out there, those brakes on a fast stripper, they hit different. Let's move along. Hubs. I'm running a Hope Tech Pro 4 hubs. We got the Merit non-stop hub. So pretty much after a while, my wheel's still spinning. Handlebars, gotta change the handlebars. Some of my favorite handlebars are the Broke Boys BMX 4-piece bars. I run them on all my bike. I've been running on my bike for years. So definitely change the handlebars. What else would I change? The tires. Oh man, the tires. Maxis all day.
They hit. Yeah, that's why we had to switch you over. You were a thick slick guy.
Damn.
Sit here and try and pump thick
Bro,
slick.
chill, bro. Like,
nah, I'm
you
pressed.
didn't even have to tell them that. They know already. Like, bro, the thick slick tires. You know. Back then they were cool, but now they're trash. Yikes. Definitely gotta run hookworms. If you want that grippy feeling in the streets, definitely gotta have you some hookworms. Like literally, these 29er guys right here know what's up. I got hookworms. Gabe got hookworms. My dog Earl got hookworms. You know what I mean? So it don't even matter what bike Earl got. Like look what bike Earl got. Took a mountain bike, right? You feel me? I don't mean to move along from my bike to here, but he took a mountain bike. He threw an SE bike seat on there. He threw some new brakes, I believe, right? These stocks. They look like stock MT200s, right? All right, my fault, D-man. The bike pretty much stock with some hookworms, right? Hookworms and tires, pedals, and the grips. Or they gotta upgrade the hubs on these mountain bikes. It depends on the mountain bike though, right? Because some mountain bikes come with upgraded hubs already. Sticker kits a must when you designing these bikes, man. The hubs are my favorite. Gabe's running profile BMX hubs. Let's give that thing a quick spin. He'll get it twisted now. He's running front and back. So yep, that's pretty much it. Just upgrade your man. Don't leave your bike stock. If you want to really get comfortable with your bike, don't leave it stock, all right? Bro, why y'all? You can definitely get comfortable on a stock bike, but there's people out there that don't like how their stock bike is.
Well, I can understand.
You know what I mean?
Well, like you're tall, so I can understand. Like,
they want to know, like, hey, what are some
bars.
upgrades I can do to my bike?
Well,
so
no, that's what I was saying.
We're showing them some of our parts. Change
like,
the brakes.
Yeah.
Your brakes don't work good, change the brakes. If your hubs feel like crap, change the hubs.
Fast brakes aren't that bad. They're decent. I ran them for a good minute before I switched.
Tires, hookworms, maxis all day. Like, you just can't go wrong with them. Yo, Gabe Tuck, what's the bottom bracket you would recommend?
I did a race face as well.
Race face. Race face, yep. We've all ran race face bottom brackets on our fast rippers.
Think about his pedals though. What are these?
No, I ain't gonna lie.
Those are yo, Amazon.
Those are metal. Oh, watch them. Amazon pedals for the win.
That's the paint with the Amazon paint.
Nah, you did it with that one. I ain't gonna lie.
You snap, you just rhyme that shit.
Footage that you guys are about to watch was filmed back in January. It's GoPro footage from the MLK rides that we had. There's also footage from Collective Bikes ride out that me and One Way Corey hosted. That's gonna be thrown in the edit as well. So hope you guys enjoy it.